Freedom is a state of mind, my friend. Freedom comes and goes in hours in which I pretend to be a man whose word's a word, whose choice is binding, overlasting next day's morning. And we agree in what we didn't say. I drop a home, I think I shouldn't give that away. I light it up and then it slips through my hands. This didn't start like it ends, but there's still time to pretend.
Freedom is the lack of thoughts when we close the gap between our bodies. Falling till the burning pleasure stops. Detours, never days, but being idle crushes lives. Rely on what I say. My heart's a rope that ties. And we agree in what we didn't say. I drop him home, and I think I shouldn't give that away. I light it up and then it slips through my head. This didn't start like it ends, but there's still time to pretend.
Let's pretend we can change it. Let's pretend it goes away like we're shadows in a world pushed from day to day. Hey, let's pretend we can change it. Let's pretend it goes away like we're shadows in a world pushed from day to day. Hey. Let's pretend. Shadows.
Something came to an end and you still love someone, but it doesn't mean that it hurts forever. And somehow remembering can give you shelter from time to time, just to ensure yourself that you're worth being loved and that there's something